Yes, what's good, guys? Welcome back to a new live stream. Whoa. Yeah, again, make sure you guys have entered with appropriate risk. It's not A plus because it does not have the bullish SMT. Get stopped out, totally fine, guys. That would be -2 or on the week. And it has made a sell model against us now. But stops are in a logical place. This was a logical trade with the checklist. So if we get stopped out, we've stuck to the plan regardless. And it would just be 1 or down on the day. Okay, so if ES mitigates, sorry, if ES takes out that buy side or NQ mitigates first presented, I will go to break even. I'm actually going to trail stops to this low at 655.50. Also just had a shift back to the upside now, which is good. That's what we want to see. Okay, I'm gonna get ready to go break even as soon as ES mitigates and sweeps the buy side there. Almost. Also just inverse the gap there as well, which is clean. Okay, I'm watching ES. If ES takes that buy side, I'm going break even. So we're not trailing yet, guys. Almost. As soon as ES bumps above that high, that is when we trail. Or you can close, but that would be negative risk to reward. So I'd recommend just going break even. Okay. Wow. No way, we're literally about to go break even if ES took that buy side as well. Okay, I'm getting ready to trail stops to that low if we break those highs on NQ at 703.75. So as soon as NQ OAS takes out these highs, that's when I'll trail to the low. But not trailing to the low yet because we haven't yet broken any highs. Okay, so AS has just run out that sell side. NQ is currently holding above. I like how I've also generated these relative equal highs on NQ and AS. Okay, that's what we want to see, guys. That is what we want to see. Price action today though, what the fuck? Okay, see if we get the delivery that we're wanting to see now, guys. Let's see. Still can't trim risk yet, guys, because we haven't yet taken the highs. See if AS can inverse that gap on the 1 minute. What is actually this price action though for a clean red fall on Newsday as well? It's actually mental. Okay, so as soon as we take those highs, I'm gonna trail stops to these lows. Not trailing yet, guys. Okay, let's see. Oh my god. This is actually ridiculous, guys. Wow. Okay, finally. Boys, I don't even know what is going on with this price action. We still have not broke those highs, guys, so that is why we did not trail. Okay. if we had have broke those highs, guys, that's when I would have trailed, but we did not break the highs. So that is the rule with my risk management. If we put in a swing low and a swing high, I want to see that first high get broken before we trail to that low. See if we finally get the push that we were looking for, guys, after I've been in this trade for like 30 fucking minutes. But yeah, literally nothing wrong with the execution on this trade. Everything went to plan in terms of the checklist. Did not break any rules on this one. Higher time frame POI, sweep on London lows, bullish bias, and a clean buy model. And the buy model was in the higher time frames, the 2 and the 3 minute, not just the 1 minute. And it aligns with power 3. We're currently trading below all of the open prices. Now I'm looking at this high as an intermediate term high. It's got a short term high to the right and to the left of it, so if price breaks that high, I am going to trail stops to the recent low there. I'll note it on ES as well. I mean, for you guys that are still holding this trade, absolute legends. Absolute legends. See, this is the thing with trading. You've got to have insane patience. Like, we've just been trading in the range for the past 30 minutes. But we're still level-headed. We're still trailing stops when appropriate. We're not rushing the trade. Notice why I didn't trail stops to that low, simply because it didn't break those equal highs. But if we break this intermediate term high, that's when I'll trail to the lows, because we've put in a new intermediate term high. So that low being at 700.75. Okay, I'm watching ES as well. If ES breaks that high, that's when I'll trail. There we go. 700.75, guys. Make sure you guys have trail stops. Only risking around 0.4 or on this trade now. And let's see if we get the final run. So if ES decides to take TP first before NQ, I will go break even. But notice how the low that we've trailed to has a short-term low, higher short-term low to the right of it and a higher short-term low to the left of it. That's an intermediate term high. Sorry, intermediate term low. That's why we've trailed to that low one specifically. So AS is just taking TP there, so I am going to go break even there, guys. So make sure that you guys are all break even. Let's see if NQ can follow through as well and give that push. But yeah, you guys can feel free to close now if you want, with it being the bearish SMT, but I'm simply holding at break even. I am bullish on the day, so I am expecting higher prices, so it would make no sense for me to cut profits before price takes the high. Okay, let's see if we can get full TP.
Order filled.
Boom, guys, TP smashed. Well, on a few of my accounts. Let's see. Bro, what are you doing? 2-8 on the high of this candle is 2-8. Bro, what? 2-8. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm closing out there, guys, fully because it did hit TP to the tick. So, closed out fully there, guys. Make sure you guys are fully out of the trade. Reason I closed out fully there was because we literally tapped that buy side to the tick. I don't really want to take any chances holding on to the trade. As soon as I tap that TP level at 28, that is when I'm going to close. But yeah, let's fucking go, guys. Just shows you guys that you need to have insane patience in this game. Insane patience. Because that's exactly what the market rewards. The market rewards patience. Literally insane trade management. 1 hour secured on the day. I'm surprised it didn't take us out of the trade as soon as we tapped that high. But yeah, full TP smash, guys. I'll see you all inside of tomorrow's live stream.